Here I've got LG K8 2018 and let me show you how to reset app preferences on the following device. So at first, let's open the settings, then find and pick General, scroll down a bit and open Apps. Simply click on the Apps icon and now select More icon, which is 3 dots one in the right upper corner. Here it is. And now the second tab is Reset App Preferences. Simply tap on it and come along with the notification, as this operation will erase all the preferences for disabled apps, disabled app notifications, default apps, apps with background data restrictions, and also any app permission restrictions. However, you will not lose any app data. So click on Reset, and that's it. As you can see, it has been successfully deleted. Now you can go back and use your device as usually. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.